Hello tutors! Thank you for signing up with us at Learnable and constantly providing us with very valuable feedback. Many of you have requested to upload references and testimonials from previous teaching assignments. So this tutorial will take you through how to go about doing that. Each reference has a star rating of 4 stars, thus bringing up your overall tutor score and ranking on Learnable's public search. So, let's get started. First, log into your Learnable Tutor account and navigate to your account page. Click on the pencil icon to add a new reference. Include your student's name, level, subject, as well as the period which you tutored this student. Enter your testimonial within the free text box. When ready, click Save. Do take note that references cannot be edited or deleted upon upload. If you have photos or screenshots of your student's result slip or the actual testimonial itself, feel free to upload these photos as social proof. Make sure to censor any sensitive personal information. Congratulations! You've successfully added a reference to your public tutor profile. This will be viewable by potential hirers and increase your chances of getting shortlisted. That's all there is to it. Do reach out to us via email should you require additional assistance.